What's up, everybody? It's a beautiful bald guy coming at you from Cochrane GM, friendliest dealership in town. And today we have our 2021 Ram 2500 Laramie. This thing is gorgeous. It's also huge. We're gonna start underneath the hood, but hilariously, I can't tell you much about it because I'm not tall enough, but as you can see from those little hops, we've got our 6.7 liter Cummins Diesel engine. This thing, 420 horsepower, 1,075 pound-feet of torque, and almost 20,000 pounds of towing capacity. It's like 19,680 or something crazy like that. Now this one is really, really well decked out. Being that Laramie, we've got our full around view cameras, we've got the fold out steps, and then coming to the back here, we've got our soft roll tonneau, and I wanna show you something cool with this, because when you've got a huge truck like this, there's more things that you want to tow. And so this one, they've actually done up the fifth wheel package. So if you zoom in here, you can actually see all of the hookups are already in there. And now we're gonna hook you up with what's inside. Let's go. All right, here we are inside the 2500. Right off the top, clean Carfax. You know, we gotta love that. And then our seats, that's right, we got a fiver. We've got heated, cooled, power, leather, memory seats. Also, speaking of seats, check out the back. These seats turn into a bench. That's right. And you know what? So does this one. We got cool seats up front here too. And then one of my favorites, we have the Harman Kardon audio system, which if you followed any of my videos, you'll know is my absolute favorite. We've got integrated brake control. This thing's decked out and ready to roll. And for you to get ready to roll, you know what you gotta do. You gotta come talk to me, Matt, the beautiful bald guy, right here at Cochrane GM, friendliest dealership in town. And you can talk to myself or any of our crazy friendly sales staff because we are super friendly. Give us a call, 403-851-5310. See you next time.